If you have ever heard someone say, Roth IRA is one of the best tools for building wealth in America, and thought, that sounds important, but I have no idea what it actually is, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to explain the Roth IRA in the simplest way possible. No complicated finance language. No boring textbook explanations. Just a clear and practical breakdown anyone can understand. By the end of this video, you will know what a Roth IRA is, how it works, who should use it, and why it can quietly make you wealthy over time. Let us start with the basics. A Roth IRA is a retirement investment account. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. Its main purpose is to help you grow money for the future. Here is the key idea. You invest money today. Your money grows over time. And when you retire, you can withdraw that money completely tax-free. Yes, tax-free. No taxes on your profits. No taxes on withdrawals. This single feature is what makes the Roth IRA so powerful. Now, this is where most beginners get confused. With a Roth IRA, you invest money after paying taxes. That means you do not get a tax break today. You earn your paycheck, you pay income tax, and then you invest the remaining money into a Roth IRA. That money goes in clean. Later, when you retire, you do not pay taxes on that money ever again. Not on the growth, not on the withdrawals. Zero tax. This is different from traditional retirement accounts. In those accounts, you save taxes today, but you pay taxes later when you withdraw the money. Think of it this way. With a Roth IRA, you pay a small tax now, so future you never has to worry about taxes again. Now let us talk about how your money grows. A Roth IRA is not an investment by itself. It is a container that holds investments. Inside a Roth IRA, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, index funds, and mutual funds. For beginners, many people choose simple index funds, like an S&P 500 index fund, because it spreads your money across top U.S. companies. As the market grows over time, your investment grows with it. And remember, every dollar of growth inside a Roth IRA is tax-free. Now, let us talk about contribution limits. You cannot invest unlimited money into a Roth IRA. There is a maximum amount you can contribute each year. If you are under the age of 50, you can contribute up to the standard annual limit. If you are 50 or older, you can contribute extra as a catch-up. You must also have earned income. That means money from a job or self-employment. Passive income alone does not qualify. There are also income limits. If you earn above a certain level, you may not be able to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. However, many high-income earners legally use strategies, like the backdoor Roth IRA. That is an advanced topic and can be covered in a separate video. Now here is a powerful benefit most people do not know. With a Roth IRA, you can withdraw your original contributions anytime. You cannot withdraw the profits early without rules, but the money you personally invested can be taken out without penalties. You cannot withdraw the profits early without rules, but the money you personally invested can be taken out without penalties. Still, the real power of a Roth IRA comes from leaving the money invested and letting compound growth work over time. Now let us talk about who should open a Roth IRA. If you are young, early in your career, or expect your income to grow, this account is especially powerful. Why does that matter? Because your tax rate today is likely lower than it will be later in life. Paying taxes now and locking in tax-free income forever is a smart long-term financial move. Even if you are older, a Roth IRA can still make sense, especially if you value tax freedom and flexibility. Let us clear up one common myth. A Roth IRA is not a get-rich-quick tool. It is a get-rich-slowly tool. The real results come from consistency, small investments, long-time horizons, and patience. Over decades, those small contributions can grow into a surprisingly large amount of money. That is why many millionaires credit boring, consistent investing as their biggest secret. Let us quickly recap. A Roth IRA is a retirement account. You invest after tax money. Your money grows tax-free. You withdraw your money tax-free in retirement, and you get flexibility along the way. Simple, powerful, and effective. If you are serious about building long-term wealth in the United States, understanding and using a Roth IRA is one of the smartest moves you can make. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple money guides. On this channel, We break down financial topics in a way that actually makes sense. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.